Here comes Rodney. I'm gonna fall here in a minute.
It's Gracie, Rodney, Jane, don't fall. Jane's trying to make sure she doesn't lose her car in the snow.
A couple of 25-year-old cars at the top of the area.
Oh, wow.
And I'm worried about
Gracie.
the snow waiting on the top of it. If I come out and push it off and it's off.
It's a virtual whiteout. That's crazy. Try not to fall.
Last night I did this and it took about all of 10 minutes to clean off the entire
Oh, and it came right on
I
back.
could have done it with a leaf blower.
Did you hear the, yeah, thank gosh it's powdery. Did you hear that sleet last night?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
That's when I decided I better do it before it gets caked in here.
Yeah.
Well, the problem is now if we lose electricity, it's not like we're going to get out of here real quick to go somewhere.
Right.
Yeah, this stuff is crazy.
It's crazy.
I get to stay home as long as GCU stays home, but
It's a whiteout. It's a Rodney. It's Gracie. Rick's old house, covered in snow. Oh. Oops. Ann almost went down. Ann's house, covered in snow.
oh no.
The side. Oh, my favorite of all, the pine trees. Love the pine trees. Jane's house, coming around. There's Jane's house, all covered in snow. It's Gracie. The snow. Jane desperately trying to locate her car in the whiteout. Holy moly. Look at that. And you already cleaned it off once?
I cleaned it off last night when I started to hear that sleep.
Ugh.
You're not going to get on this side of the car, that's for sure.
Good gracious. I got a frostbite on my hands. Woo. You hear the wind? The silence, but the...
Look at that.
Beautiful.
It's back there again.
This time last year, I was just coming back from, no, 2 years ago. Remember we came back from Mexico and it snowed.
I have another friend, she just got back from Mexico.
Ugh.
Now she's sick.
Do the nose to turn it off?
Yeah, well, no, I can do it.
Okay. Woo.
Okay.
It's crazy. On Jane.
I really am.
Or is it Aunt?
Aunt Jane.
Aunt Jane.
No, it's
Depends
on
where
Jane.
you come from. Look, it's a virtual whiteout.
Okay. Let's see what's down here.
She's got to go in? Okay, yeah, it's getting cold. Come on, Gracie, let's go. Did you get the shovel, baby? You got the other shovel? Yeah. Come on, Gracie, let's go in.
Hey, bye, Gracie.